Hey guys, welcome back to my craft room and back to Mini Pocket Letter Monday. I need to get a new sleeve and cut it. Let's see here. Gonna start going through a lot of sleeves now. So today we're doing another farm pocket letter, or mini pocket letter, sorry. We're going to use the same collection, I guess, the Echo Park down on the farm. Let's start with our base papers. Sounds like a plan. I don't have a plan, as you could tell. I feel like, hold on. Ouch, just ran over my foot. Oh, my own chair. I feel like I want to do these roosters. I think we're gonna end up taking this a whole nother direction than the other one. I mean, we're already starting off with a different color scheme. Alright, let's see. It's an omnidirectional paper, so I don't need to worry about that. 3.5 by 2.5. Again, I'm gonna try and go rather flat. I do have to go to the post office anyway for the Halloween loaded envelope, but you know, if it ends up not being flat, it's okay. I'm not really going to challenge myself too much on that. If it happens, it happens. Alrighty, which I need to post the new ones. And also should tell you guys there probably won't be too many Mini Pocket Letter Mondays on or in October. We're planning to go down to Gatlinburg, Pigeon Forge area and stopping in Kentucky as well. Mainly Lexington. And then also, we have something planned in somewhere in, like, in between us and, like, Cincinnati. So, October is going to be very busy. I think we're just going to go ahead and use this guy. Let's actually kind of angle it. So we're doing a red scheme rather than blue this time. Do I want to do this? No, I don't want to do it. Because most of the roosters are... Actually, I think I want to flip this guy. Put it in the center. Maybe. No. No. Let's see what we got in here. Maybe that'll solve some of my problems. Yep. I feel like the farm fresh would be good. You know, like farm fresh eggs. Oh no, we need to do this rise and shine. Oh, you know what? I don't have any foam tape. Gosh darn it. Well, it's gonna be a really flat Mini Pocket Letter. Didn't even remember that. Probably won't be spending any more money on crafting supplies though. I feel like that one would be kind of cute. It does have a rooster on it. Although that like really goes well because of the red, it pops out. I think I'm gonna stick with the roosters here. Roosters in red. Oh my gosh, that's cute. Okay. And you know what? That one would be really cute as the tag. And actually, let's move that guy over here, so that way it's not competing. Come on. I do want to, like, it'd be cool if I could find some really awesome crafting stores on the way on our trip, but also I shouldn't I shouldn't spend more. I've spent so much these past few months. Although I've been using them, so that's, you know. Ooh, welcome to our coop. I feel like that is, but it's green. I don't really have any green. Ooh. It's getting tough. We got these guys. I feel like that doesn't really go very well. Wonder. Let's take that out. Come on. I don't want to rip it. There we go. We had planned a really big thing for our, well, it was our 5-year anniversary in June. We had planned something really big, but ended up not working out. As you know. So, that doesn't really look very good. I don't think that's going to work out. So we kind of, you know, decided last minute, well, we're going to do something anyway. It's just going to be, actually, you know what I could do? Stick it up here. Boom. And then we'll do one over here. And then, ooh, yeah. Wish I had foam tape. That would work better. Makes me want to like root around and see if I've got some stash somewhere. Oh golly. Okay, I'm gonna look. Haha. I have no idea where this came from. Oh golly. But we got it. I don't know where to put my trash. Alright. Alrighty. Now my whole, well, I mean, my craft area was a mess to begin with. We'll start with that. But now it's even more of a mess. Oh, this is really thin. Oh, it's got hair all over it now. That's a staple when it comes to my crafts, though. You always get some of my hair. It is everywhere. Uh-oh. It's a little crooked. That's fine. Alright. Now this guy, I feel like he needs, I don't know, maybe it just popped up, it'll be fine. It looks like he needs something back there though. Wow, this is really thin. Huh. I used to get mine at a drug mart. They had it for like 99 cents. Ow! But I'll take what I get right now. I keep clawing myself. I need to clip my nails. Oh, they're not even that long right now. What the heck? You know what I could do? I just got this new punch. Didn't tell you guys about this. Went to Goodwill and found it. It's only $3, I think, so I got it. It's just a little circle punch. But what I'm thinking is, what if we do some circles? Maybe that's just, you know, I want to use my my new toy. I feel like none of them really, I don't know, stand out. I think I'm trying to orient myself. Well, actually, I guess the blue. Boom! Why didn't I think of that? Okay. I think I was just focused on the red. Didn't see what was right in front of me, which was some blue. I'll put that right up there. And then we need something down here. What do we need? What do we want? I feel like some red dots would be good. But the question is, do I have some? I might have some in Happy Mail. Let's see, where would that be? Which binder? This one? What's the Halloween from last year? Boobity boop. Boop. No. We need to do a fall mini pocket letter. We should do that. That's gonna be in one of the thingies. Swaps. I want it. There we go. We've got some pink, so maybe there's some red in here. Ooh, those would work. I feel like I would need more than that, though. Alright, let me look. I'll be back. Alright, I found a few options in my... what are you... swap mail bag? I don't know. My goodie bag. Alright, I've got these. Not a huge fan of that. I got these. Oh, that's actually pretty cool. And then I've got these. I feel like those are just a little bit too much, you know? I get, especially with it saying simple life, I feel like they're a little bit, you know, not simple. But I feel like these add just enough. Yeah, we're doing it. We are doing it. 1, 2, and 3. Okay. And we'll do 3 on the other side. Oh, I'm hungry. I don't even know what I'm going to have for lunch. Guess I could make rice. That would work. Now, what do I do on this guy? Because he is very plain. You know, I could cut up those chickens. That sounds wrong. Oh, actually, you know what? If I do 3 of them, and then I do 3 of these things up here. No, I don't like that. Her. Hardy her. Let's grab this guy. Let's see. Oh, you know what? I have more paper. Let's see if these little cut aparts maybe. Yep, nope. Ooh, the life is better with chickens. Ooh. Ooh. Do I have one already cut? Yes. Thanks, past me. Kind of don't really have room for him, though. Man, I should have thought of that earlier. Where are we gonna put him? I guess we could cut it in half. We're doing it. We're already doing it. Life is better with chickens. He gets cut off. With chickens. Oh, perfect. Works out. And I'm not going to do foam tape on those. Have them kind of a different dimension so they're not in line with that. So it makes a little bit more sense. Whoa. Way crooked on that one. I guess, I mean, with the progression it's going, if I was going to make another farm mini pocket litter, it'd probably be horses. We did, you know, the general on the farm, and we did chickens, so I guess horses would be next, right? And then let's just do a few of these dots. These are cool. Whoever sent me these. Bam. They're awesome. I feel like I need another one down there. Now it feels weird, so... I don't know. I guess I'm just gonna keep going until it looks good. Now I feel like I need another one right here. Okay. I think we're good. I think we can stop now. I don't have any red ribbon, do I? Just thought I have that teal, but that's not gonna look very good, is it? Oh, I have some black and white left. That'll do it. That'll do it. Oh, and I need my hole punch. Let's, oh, I hate to, if I do it like right in the O, I'm a little off, but come on. I need to get a smaller hole punch. Ouch. I'd also like to get a crocodile. So that I can start doing, what are they called? Oh gosh. The name just left me. The little snappy thingies. What are they called? Not brads. Snappers. That's we're gonna call them that. I don't know what. Oh, I guess I should probably write on this before I put it on there. What did I use? Oh, I didn't write on that one either. Oh, okay. I won't then. If I have to do it for that one, might as well do it for both. Make it hard on myself. Alright. I went the wrong way. I meant to go this way. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. Almost there. Swing. We've got major fruit flies right now. And they came in with some bananas. Haven't left. It's annoying. You know what? That's good. I like that. Oh my gosh, that's cute. Got a red and blue. Why is it so... There. The color seems off. Oh, I should do something on the back like I normally do. My chickens. Come on. Or, I don't know. I guess they're roosters, aren't they? Okay, come on. Boom. Makes me want apple pie. I love getting those little apple pie or apple hand pies from the Amish. Putting it in the microwave for a little bit and then adding some vanilla ice cream. Oh my gosh, so good. I'm not normally a pie fan, but I had this. It wasn't like an apple pie. It was more like a, well, kind of like an apple hand pie on the cruise last year, and I really liked it, especially warmed up with the ice cream that they gave me. And I was like, man, I guess I really love it. So I guess it's not really I like the pie, because I don't really like the crust, but on the hand pies and the whatever pie that was, I don't know. It was like a little pocket. I guess that's what I like. What should I put on that? Kinda could go pretty big, actually. Maybe one of these guys. What do we got? That'll decide it. Oh no, something fell. I kinda like that one. Although we don't have any green. Well, let's do this one. It's a beautiful day on the farm. I went to cut it and I'm like, no. Maybe I don't want to do that one, but it's like, yeah, we're doing it. I already cut it. It's going on. It's taped. No turning back now. Yeah, that's cute. Perfect with that little gingham. Border. Fits perfectly. Cute. And I can put the info for the mini pocket letter on there. I won't show you the goodies today, since whoever's getting it is probably watching. I see you. Alright guys, there is our farm chickens, chicken farm mini pocket letter. I think it's cute. Kind of reminds me of Bob Evans. They've got these new shirts that have this kind of text on them, and they come in red and stuff, so makes me think of that. Alright guys, thanks for hanging out with me for Mini Pocket Letter Monday. Don't forget, I probably won't, be doing Mini Pocket Letter Monday in October. So, we'll see when we see you back. I mean, of course, there'll be other videos, but other than that. I hope you guys are having a crazy day, good crazy, not bad crazy. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.